Welcome to Roofing by the Square. I'm your host, Gilbert, and today we're joined by homeowner Charles Andrew, who recently worked with Chaparosa Roofing. Today, we're going to see what Chaparosa Roofing did to help repair Charles' roof and why homeowners trust Chaparosa Roofing. Could you start by introducing yourself and sharing with us where you're joining us from?
Hello, I'm Charles Andrews and I live in Lucerne Valley where I've resided for the last 3 years, and I experienced some roofing problems due to the winds.
A lot of winds here and no protection, especially when you don't got big trees or anything to protect you. What originally led you to reaching out to Chaparosa Roofing?
I came up with a couple different places at first, and I called them, and they said it would be a week, 10 days, and then I thought, well, Chaparosa, because I drive past them all the time, and I gave them a call, and they were out here in a couple days, did an inspection of the roof, and gave me an invoice later, and I accepted it. And a few days later, 2 Chaparosa roofers showed up and remedied my problem.
And before that repair took place, what specific issue were you hoping to fix?
Leakage of rainwater.
And during that repair, did anything unexpected come up? And if so, how was it handled?
Yes, speaking of the winds, after they repaired it, and the very next day, the winds kicked up and kicked big length of shingles. I notified Chaparosa and they came out and fixed that.
And how would you describe the work ethic of the crew while they were on site?
Oh, they were on it. They were busy taking care of what I needed done.
And you mentioned rain earlier. With the recent rains that we've had, how is your roof held up?
Very well. There's been no leakage whatsoever, and I was aware of rain penetrating above my living room windows, so that was solved.
And for homeowners considering small roof repairs or roof repairs in general, what advice would you give them?
Oh, I'd recommend Chaparosa. They're on the job, they're there, they take care of it, and I've had no problems.
And final question, from your perspective, what qualities should someone look for when considering a roofing company?
Well, to do the job right, and to lay down, know what they're doing, and to lay down the tar paper and the shingles and get it, what do you call it, just put back together right.
Hey, no, that's honest. That's an honest feedback, some honest review. Well, Charles, this was wonderful. Thank you for agreeing to do this.
Oh, thank you. I'm more than happy to recommend Chaparosa Roofing to anybody out there that needs a small job of missing shingles or a whole roofing job.
Well, for any of our homeowners out there who are considering a repair or a full-on re-roof, visit chaparosa.com today and see why homeowners across Southern California trust Chaparosa Roofing.